Installing EaseUS Todo free. With Microsoft's deprecation of their own Windows 7 backup, as they call it, and with Macarim Reflect discontinuing their free version, it's time to find a different free version, and EaseUS Todo has one. Let's find it and install it. We're just going to go to a search engine, Bing in this particular case, and look for EaseUS Todo free. Now, I want to be clear, I'm including that word free because very often many of these programs will try to promote their trial. So it's not the free version, it's a trial of their paid version. It's very important to understand that you're getting the free version of what it is you're looking for, if in fact they have one. The other thing that's important to realize here, of course, is have a look. We searched for EaseUS Todo, and yet the first result is not EaseUS Todo at all. That's a paid placement. That's an advertisement. We actually have to scroll down a little bit to find free backup software EaseUS Todo, and that's where we'll go. We'll go ahead and say sure on the cookies and hit free download. Try to do backup free. We're not going to sign up for any newsletter. We don't have to. What's interesting here about this free download button, you'll notice that I dismissed it because it didn't seem to be doing anything without giving it an email address. So I hit it again, and sure enough, the download happens. This time I'm going to go ahead and open the TB Free installer. With the installer running, we're actually done with the browser, so I'm going to go ahead and close the browser, and we'll hit install now. Make sure to install the free version. Again, if I have any criticism for EaseUS at all, it's that they do use every opportunity to try and recommend or suggest that you want to switch to their paid version. For what we're doing today, we do not need their paid version. So we'll go ahead and download and install that. Okay, it's installed. We'll go ahead and hit start now so that we know that the user interface gets brought up. They do suggest, again, I mentioned that they do try to promote their paid versions. So they've actually brought up their sales page in a web browser. You don't need this. You can completely dismiss this for what we're going to do next. Then, there it is, free EaseUS Todo. Again, another opportunity to upgrade. Like I said, if I have any complaint about EaseUS at all, it's the number of times that they will recommend or suggest you upgrade the product. You don't need to do that. Use the free version. It'll have some limitations, and that's fine, but if you want the free version, make sure you're choosing the free version. And now we could go on and actually use it. We'll save that for a separate video. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com.